attending TAG's open house, I was genuinely impressed by the professionalism, infrastructure, and clarity of guidance provided by the faculty. The counseling session answered every concern we had regarding careers, placements, and practical exposure.
We actually got to solder our own audio cable, sit inside a Dolby Atmos mix studio, and interact with the faculty directly.
The moment I walked into the studios and interacted with the mentors, I could feel the passion for sound and music everywhere. The directors and counselors were honest, motivating, and deeply knowledgeable.
What really impressed me about TAG's open house was how advanced their live sound training actually is. The faculty clearly understand real-world live production.